Have you ever wondered why we experience emotions, or why certain emotions make us react in specific ways? This might seem like a philosophical question, but the answer actually lies in the realm of science, specifically the evolutionary theory of emotion. This theory suggests that emotions, whether they be fear, joy, sadness, or anger, are not merely random feelings. Instead, they have evolved over the ages as survival mechanisms for both humans and animals. Yes, your heart pounding when you're scared or the warmth spreading through you when you're happy, these are all evolutionary tools designed to help us navigate the world. Emotions are like our internal compass, guiding us towards survival and away from danger. Now, isn't that fascinating? So how did these emotions evolve over time, and why do they still play a crucial role in our lives today? Buckle up as we dive into the fascinating world of evolutionary theory of emotion. Emotions didn't just appear out of nowhere. They have a deep-rooted history in the evolution of species. As we delve into the origins of emotion, it becomes apparent that these complex feelings are not a unique privilege bestowed upon humans alone. In fact, they trace their roots back to our earliest ancestors, forming a critical aspect of our evolutionary journey. Imagine the early humans eking out an existence in the prehistoric wilderness. Picture the immense challenges they faced, the predators lurking in the shadows, the constant struggle to find sustenance. In this harsh and unyielding environment, emotion served as a crucial survival tool. Take fear, for instance. This gut-wrenching, heart-pounding sensation is more than just an unpleasant feeling. In the face of danger, fear triggers a cascade of physiological responses that prepare the body for flight or fight. It sharpens the senses, quickens the heartbeat, and floods the muscles with adrenaline. Without fear, our ancestors would have been ill-equipped to respond to threats, making their survival in the wild a near impossibility. Then there's happiness, that uplifting surge of joy and contentment. It might seem like a luxury in the context of survival, but happiness has its own vital role. It strengthens social bonds and fosters cooperation, both of which are vital for survival in a species as social as ours. Shared joy deepens connections, encourages mutual support, and promotes the sharing of resources, elements that were key to our ancestors' survival and prosperity. And let's not forget love, that profound emotion that binds us to others. Love drives us to care for our offspring, protect our partners, and support our kin, ensuring the continuation of our genetic lineage. In essence, our emotions are the product of countless millennia of evolution, shaped and honed by the relentless pressures of survival. They are an integral part of our biological heritage, the legacy of a long and arduous journey through the annals of evolutionary history. Emotions, then, are not just feelings, they're survival mechanisms honed by millions of years of evolution. Now that we understand the origins of emotion, it's time to delve deeper into the evolutionary theory of emotion. The evolutionary theory of emotion is a fascinating concept that seeks to explain the why of emotions. It proposes that emotions exist not just as random feelings, but as critical survival tools that have been refined and honed through countless generations of evolution. Imagine our ancestors, living in a world fraught with danger at every turn. A rustle in the bushes could be a predator. A sudden storm could mean imminent danger. In such scenarios, fear, an emotion we often associate with negativity, was a lifesaver. It triggered a response, often referred to as the fight-or-flight instinct, that prepared our ancestors to either face the threat or flee from it. Similarly, happiness, an emotion associated with positivity, played a crucial role in survival. It encouraged bonding within groups, fostering a sense of community and cooperation. When our ancestors worked together, their chances of survival increased, making happiness not just a feeling of joy, but a catalyst for survival. Even disgust, an emotion we may not think much of, had its role to play. Imagine a time before knowledge of germs and diseases. Disgust served as a natural deterrent, preventing our ancestors from consuming rotten food or venturing into unsanitary conditions, thereby protecting them from potential health hazards. So, you see, every emotion served a purpose, a function critical to survival. Over time, these emotional responses became hardwired into our biology, passed down from generation to generation. Emotions, according to the evolutionary theory, are more than just feelings. They are responses deeply ingrained in us, triggered by specific stimuli. They are not random or without purpose. They are tools, honed by the relentless grind of survival and evolution. Therefore, according to the evolutionary theory, Emotions are not just feelings. They are our body's response to specific stimuli that has been shaped by years of evolution. While our understanding of emotions has evolved, the core principles remain the same. Step into the modern era, where psychology and neuroscience have taken the baton, furthering our grasp on the complex world of emotions. Psychology, with its intricate tapestry of human behavior, has given us the tools to explore emotions more deeply. It has expanded on the evolutionary theory, emphasizing that emotions are integral to our survival and well-being, not mere byproducts of our evolution. Meanwhile, neuroscience has added another layer to this understanding. Brain imaging technologies have allowed us to see emotions at work, highlighting the neural pathways that light up when we feel joy, sadness, or fear. This has validated the evolutionary theory, showing that these emotional responses are hardwired into our very biology. But the exploration doesn't stop there. Modern science continues to explore and validate the evolutionary origins of our emotions, showing us that our feelings are more than just fleeting experiences. In conclusion, emotions are not random. They have a purpose, a history, and a crucial role in our survival. We've taken a journey through time today, exploring the origins of emotion and their development through evolutionary processes. Emotions, as we've seen, are not mere responses to our environment. They are complex and intricate mechanisms, shaped by millions of years of evolution. These mechanisms have equipped us with tools to respond to survival threats, to form social bonds, and to navigate the world around us. Emotions guide our decisions, inform our actions, and enrich our lives with a depth of experience that is uniquely human. Through the lens of evolutionary theory, we see that emotions are not just fleeting feelings. They are part of our evolutionary inheritance, an integral part of what it means to be human. So next time you feel a rush of emotion, remember, it's not just a feeling. It's a survival mechanism, millions of years in the making.